Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-Star owners using Illinois UST database. So the first resource that I wanted to show is this blog post on Convenience Talk, and what it includes are the links to all the UST databases, and they're organized by state. So if you navigate down the page and you go to Illinois, which happens to be under the Fire Marshal's office, and click on this link, you will end up on this page. Now, I conducted a few searches, and I think the easiest way or the best way is to actually just look for all active, because a lot of the locations or facilities don't seem classified. So when I ran this search, I came up with this list, and please keep in mind that the exports may take 5 minutes or longer. I did start to try to do this export, and I basically gave up on it, but I did want to see what additional information might be available. And so I did bring up this record right here, the Shell of Vir Petro, and that's on this page, and you can see you can export it to Excel. And what you'll see here is obviously the status, and then here's the facility type, which you can search on. But again, when I tried to pull up these individual facility types, I ended up with a very short list, so I decided to go against that. And then down here, you'll have ownership records, which are kind of interesting. So we have Vir Petro Inc. And so you don't have a lot of contact information, meaning actual individuals listed on this page. So I wanted to delve into one other resource, which I'll do a posting a little bit later about in terms of corporate searches. So I went under the Illinois State Secretary, and I looked up this corporation file. So under this corporation file, you'll see Vir Petro Inc. I show the agent for process, which doesn't necessarily have to be the president or anyone associated. It could be just a lawyer filing or a paralegal filing on behalf of the company. But here we have the president's name. That's it for Illinois. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.